Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka Kot Admission nagamta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course. Ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka Buy Admission ka Badunatam. But she's pa percent ka Jingkynnoh kam. Pila ru ban apply da ka Education Loan.
Menteri ka Sorkar Jallau ba polling do bulong ru no ektin jong ka Sorkar MDA haklai photrek ujimang arajar phosan ulong bade benthong re ka Jingkynnoh kit halor ka Jingkynnoh jong President ka Assam Pradesh Congress Committee Guarav Gogoi ubade ru MP ne ka jilla Assam ba ka Sorkar Assam bat ka Sorkar Meghalaya kidon ketilang bat ka kinhun ka bakhai to ya udoyong Hagajia keren bakilat pathai kubor ba pol ulong ba skong phala AA halor ka niga Jingkynnoh namar ba ka datang ka Jingkawang kti bat kanya election hapring ka BJP bat ka Congress ha Assam namar ba kini ki artli ki sengsan perthai ki ba kham he ha Assam ki ban select shak election jaka ying dor ba thawan ki ban selection hagajila Assam.
See, I'm not surprised because this is electioneering. It's when both major contenders for power in Assam will make all sorts of allegations. The allegations have come forward from Assam Chief Minister against Gogoi, and likewise he has retaliated against him. Meghalaya is just for them is just a pawn in this game because they need somebody to target, and we happen to be a close neighbor of theirs. So I'm not surprised, but you'll see after the elections, that will change.